Postmates promo code how to use. Now if you wish to use a promo code on Postmates, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Postmates app. Once you launch the Postmates app, what you can do is tap on the account icon from the bottom right. Then from the top you can find an option called wallet. So tap on the wallet option. Now once you're here inside wallet, here under you can see vouchers and you can see add voucher code. So when you tap on the add voucher code, it will ask you to simply enter the code in order to claim and use your voucher, which in other words is also essentially your promo code. So you could go ahead and then make sure to actually enter your promo code right here. Tap on the continue button. Depending upon the value of the code, it will be successfully used for your Postmates account. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.